Howdy there, guys. This is Old Main Productions. You can hear in the distance, very faintly, Q372-03 in Woodbine. Here with the Old Main guy, a pleasant little surprise as he returned for college for the weekend. And should be here fairly shortly, so I hope you enjoy, guys. Also, something else to look forward to all, well, besides Old Main guy waving, is there are a trio of EMD on this. Trace EMD. So it'll be really exciting to see. It honks quite a bit in Woodbine, Newport, but I'll cut back in as soon as it gets to the tunnel and echoes, and then goes back across the crossing. Okay, all. That's the Woodbine Tunnel, which is hidden right around this corner. Should be GE leader. Gonna skedaddle out of the road because there's a car coming. Probably shouldn't cross, but empty tanker, hot asphalt, followed by lumber, empty tanker, these are interesting, whatever they are. All-purpose spine cars, I think they're called. Grain, chassis, old CSX, hydrochloric acid, poison, angle, the box cars are actually shaking. Old rail box. There it goes, guys, right down past that phone box. And on the main track, past the siding, here at Morgan Road / Hood Siding. Have a beautiful day, everyone. Get outside, enjoy your day. Trains are always wonderful to catch. Even our little buddy, Edward the Spider, can agree. He's just chilling, watching the trains go by. And when you're out, pick up that litter, everyone. We don't want to see it at the tracks. We want to see it in the trash or recycling where it belongs, not spoiling nature's beauty. Adios, everyone.